Hello, this is Achut Kumar, VTU 17772, belongs to CSC department, fourth year. So, I'm going to explain my review to PPT. My project is resume screening using natural language processing, embeddings, word search, and AI with the web app. And this is the title, and this is my industry details. I'm working in P4. I'm working for P4 consultancy as I'm doing internship. This duration of this internship is 6 months from January 3 to June 3, 2024. Industry guide is Krishna, his mobile number, and this is my company details and all. This is agenda, and this is the abstract. The abstract is this project aims to revolutionize the traditional resume screening process by implementing some new techniques and all, like natural screening, natural language processing techniques, word search, and AI algorithms. These are implementation modules. By using this, we will create an web interface. So what this project, after creating web interface, this natural language processing will intelligently analyze and understand the content of resumes, and we will give some keywords, so that what it will do means, it will check whether the keywords are present or not. So if they're present, it will show in the result, like the student is capable of this, like, and it will also tell the skills of the student or that employee who uploads the resume and all. This is the objective, or aim of this project is to develop one web interface that is capable of natural language processing uh, based web interface that will analyze resumes for semantic understanding and all. And here we also will implement word embeddings to capture contextual relationship within resume content. And the scope of the project is, this project mainly aims to create an web application that use some AI techniques, word embeddings, and natural language processings. So this all will combine and produce one automated resume screening web interface. The scope also includes the development of user-friendly web application, and it uh, it allows us to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of recruitment process. This is the introduction. In the present situation, for companies, they will get more a number of resumes and all, like applications for jobs and all. So they won't be able to verify each and every resume. So what we will do is we are going to develop one web interface. In that web interface, if we add some resumes, and we can give some like keywords and all, or we can ask questions also in that, so that it will verify and give the results based on the questions and all. This is the literature review, mm, design and methodologies. In this, first we are going to use natural language processing. This is the foremost first process. What we will do is, we will choose a pre-trained natural language processing, such as what to wake, glow, or beta, like this. And we will implement an tokenization process that will break down a resume into some several parts, or subparts, like some keywords. Better, we will use that keywords for efficient analysis. And then what we will do is embeddings generation. It will utilize the chosen model to convert resume into high dimensional text, like it will highlight the small keywords. In resume we cannot add much data, so we will not add some shortcut keys and also it will highlight, and it will show the results. And the second module is word search algorithm module. In this, we are going to develop a relevant keyword and phrase based on job recruitment and industry standards. Based on the standards, we will be going to develop one keywords and all. In this algorithm implementation, what we will do is, we will develop one such algorithm, like we can ask some we can give some commands like I want an employee with these capabilities, like that keywords we will give. So it will check and verify whether the keywords are present in the resume and all. And it will also what we will do, assign weights to keywords, like it will briefly verify the keywords and all. So this is the second module, and the third module is AI enabled web application module. To enable this module, to use this module, we should develop module 1 and 2, like after that only we are able to use these techniques and all. In this we are going to create one user interface for web application. What it will do means, it will connect from front end to the natural language processing and what such modules, and then it will it will do authentication process to ensure data privacy. And after that it also will use some graphs or charts to present the screening results in a comprehensive manner. And the next what it will do means, learning mechanisms of a system to adapt and improve its screening capabilities over time. This is the third module, and this is the implementation diagrams, architecture diagram. This is, as I have told already in the initial review and review one, uh, like same also in this also same. This is the architecture diagram, data flow diagram, use case diagram, class diagram, activity diagram. This is sequence diagram, ER diagram. And here in this project we are going to do some testings, right? Unit testing, integration testing, functional testing, white box testing, black box testing, unit testing. In this test case one, we will test the natural language processing embeddings generation with simple input sentence, like input this is a test sentence, and the output will be natural language embeddings for the input sentence, like that it will do. The second is the second one is description. In this test keyword extraction function with some resume containing various skills, like uh, what we will do, we will give some inputs like Java, Python and all, so that keywords will be highlighted in this. This is integration testing. uh, in integration testing we will verify natural language processing or such functionalities, and we will do some keyword search query, and it will result the specified keywords based on natural language processing and all. And then functional testing case one, it will validate the resume screening based on specific criteria and all. And also it ensures to proper error handling for invalid inputs, like if you are going to give some invalid inputs, it will be going to reject that. And next is whiteboard testing, white box testing. In this we will analyze the code of different code paths with functions and all, and we will give some expected inputs and all. So what it will do means, it will test all the branches and it will evaluate the code. This is the white box texting, and this is black box texting. In this we are going to submit resumes with varied formats and contents, like someone will have some skills and all, so we are going to upload that and all, so that it will verify and shortlist the students based on the commands which we are going to give. And this is the black box testing, and this is my input for the code. mm, this is output means, here we can see that local host and all, we can see the IP address. By clicking that, we are going to it will open this, like it's a web interface. In this we can log in by our username. First we have to create one account, so that after we can log in that, and we can upload resumes, and we can evaluate the process and all. The next is demo video link I will add now. This is the conclusion. Conclusion is this conclusion means we are going to develop an user-friendly web interface for evaluating the resume screenings that will be a more efficient and informed decision-making paradigm. So it is a power of advanced natural language techniques which we are going to experience after developing this, because it will make the hiring process easy and more efficient and informed decision employers may and streamlining the hiring process and all. This will take place in this. So this plagiarism report, and these are my references, and this is next I'm going to in this I'm going to explain the implementation of my code. First, what we have to do is we have to download some extensions like JSON, Matplot, Streamlit, JSON, NumPy, like this and all. So this and all, we have to import this and all, JSON, NumPy and all. So Matplot, and also import pandas like and all. So after this we are going to load some .NET, and then in the JSON file we are going to give name, uh, email and all, like gender, uh, and here we have to give confirm password and all. Like first we have to type password and we have to confirm, so that it will automatically save the password and all. Next, and the next process is page sign up process. To do this, first we have to submit button, and then we have to confirm password, then session will start. Like if it's true, the user will be able to access the data. If the process does not match, means we can try it again. Here we have to give some login details, like a username, password in the JSON path, like data.json. In this we are going to start the session and session state, user info and all. Then if that login is successful, the user can be able to open the data. If that if you are going to give some invalid data, invalid credentials, so we are going to give some code here, like we can able to try it again. So and then we have to initialize the database, like numpy and all. uh, JSON markup. If the initialization database is error, then we have to we have to submit print f error initializing database, and then we have to create account, like mail, name, age, sex, password in the JSON file path. And then after appending, we are going to get a new user data to JSON structure. This like this, email, name, sex, password, resume, job description and all. So that after this we are going to get the account details. So after logging in, we will get the account will be created. Then this all, like if you are going to forget the password, we will be able to return it again, like this. And here we are going to use some what tokenization process, like I have explained in the implementation and all. It will evaluate the keywords and all in a high dimensional process, and it will calculate the scores here. And here it will extract the keywords from the resume and all. Here we can also able to generate some questions, so based on that the student will be shortlisted. The next, after that we can evaluate the scores and all, like resume analyzed and compared. After this everything, it will take some process, and Like this we can give backend developer here. Like this hints we can give. I have selected here some senior product manager. Like this here we can give no, set warning place. Here we can give like this. Update layout, we have to layout like a distribution of scores for job roles and all. So we can generate questions here like interview questions and all. Next questions will be asked here in this module. Next mm, after that we can sign up and view the dashboard like and all. So here I'm going to execute terminal, new terminal. Like this local host will be created. Like this, it will appear like here we have to log in. I have already created my mail like sum @gmail. See here we after entering our details we can log in successful. So that here we are going to upload one resume. This time I'm going to upload some sample resume. See here we can select the job role like IT project manager. So see here we can get am I able to get this and all. So if we are eligible we can apply this like see job application submitted successfully like this. And here we can do resume analysis like this. See in my resume I have uploaded this many keywords: Python, HTML, Java, communication skills and all like this. So here it will show I have given IT development, like it will evaluate whether I'm eligible or not like this. Here is the graph, and here we can generate questions also like some questions, and here we can evaluate scores. This is my project and all. So this is the implementation. Like this we can check whether the student is applicable to the given conditions and all. Like that hiring process will be done. Thank you.